The costs of digital currencies are driven by many variables, including media publicity, reception rate, legitimate, criminal operations, and organic market. This large number of variables make leading a specialist examination of digital money essential in the present market. Brise is another venture in the digital currency world that has acquired prominence due to turning into a top player in the industry potential. In this video, you'll learn everything about the forward leap of the year. We'll cover the Bitgert undertaking's subtleties, track down the solutions to the most famous inquiries, and notice some Brise cost forecasts. Bitgert authentic as indicated by the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Bitgert is $0, and Brise is buy and buy position no. 156 in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of Bitgert is $194,615,076.62, with a market cap of $395,688,215,721,653 Brise. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $0 its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, Brise has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this way expanding by 7.1%. Bitgert has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of Brise has expanded by 16.08%, adding an epic typical measure of $0 its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now in the event that it keeps on developing. Bitgert value expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Bitgert costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Bitgert will be $0. The greatest level that the Brise cost can reach is $0. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0. Brise value figure for February 2023. In view of the value vacillations of Bitgert toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Brise pace of $0 February 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0 separately. Walk 2023. Bitgert value estimate. Digital money specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the Brise cost in Walk 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0, while the most extreme could reach $0 this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Bitgert may be around $0. Brise value figure for April 2023. Crypto experts have actually taken a look at the value changes of Bitgert in 2023 and in earlier years. So the normal Brise rate they anticipate may be around $0 April 2023. It can drop to $0 a base. The most extreme worth may be $0. May 2023. Bitgert value figure around mid-year 2023. The Brise cost will be exchanged at $0 and large. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Bitgert worth to $0. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0 May 2023. Brise value conjecture for June 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Bitgert costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023, $0. The least and pinnacle Brise rates may be $0. July 2023. Bitgert value estimate. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Brise cost will be around $0. In July 2023, the Bitgert cost might drop to at least $0. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0. July 2023. Brise value estimate for August 2023. Having dissected Bitgert costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the Brise rate could arrive at a limit of $0 August 2023. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $0. For August 2023, the estimated normal of Bitgert is almost $0. September 2023. Bitgert value gauge around mid-2023. The Bitgert cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0. Crypto examiners expect that in September 2023, the Brise cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $0. Brise value estimate for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Bitgert worth won't dip under at least $0. The most extreme pinnacle expected for this present month is $0. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $0. November 2023. Bitgert value estimate. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly investigated the scope of Brise costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their estimate is the accompanying. the greatest exchanging worth of Bitgert will be around $0, with a chance of dropping to at least $0. In November 2023, the normal expense will be $0. Brise value gauge for December 2023. In light of the value changes of Bitgert toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Brise pace of $0 December 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0 separately. The most extreme expected Brise cost might be around $0. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0 2024. Bitgert Value Forecast 2025. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Bitgert, in 2025, Brise is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $0 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0. Bitgert Value Expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have broke down the costs of Bitgert and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2026, the base Brise cost could drop to $0, while its greatest can reach $0. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $0. Bitgert Value Forecast 2027. In light of the examination of the expenses of Bitgert by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least Brise costs are normal in 2027, $0. Overall, it will be exchanged at $0. Bitgert Value Expectation 2028. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the vacillations of Bitgert. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical Brise cost will be around $0. It could drop to at least $0, however it actually could reach $0 through 2028. Bitgert Value Expectation 2029. Consistently, digital money specialists plan conjectures at the cost of Bitgert. It is assessed that Brise will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $0 2029. Its typical expense is normal at around $0 the year. Bitgert Value Expectation 2030. Digital currency experts are prepared to declare their assessments of the Bitgert's cost. The year 2030 not entirely set in stone by the most extreme Brise cost of $0. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $0. Bitgert Value Expectation 2031. Following quite a while of investigation of the Bitgert cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their Brise cost assessment to 2031. It will be exchanged for something like $0, with the conceivable greatest tops at $0. Overall, you can anticipate that the Brise cost should be around $0 2031. Bitgert Value Expectation 2032. Digital currency examiners are prepared to report their assessments of the Bitgert's cost. The year 2032 not entirely set in stone by the greatest Brise cost of $0. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around $0. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $0. Bitgert sent off its hotly anticipated blockchain in February 2022. The block season of Brise chain, a proof of authority agreement framework, is 15 seconds. POA blockchains are believed to be truly versatile, yet it doesn't reduce analysis over them for being exceptionally incorporated. The Bitgert network was showcased as the first blockchain convention with zero exchange expenses.